Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about what is message queue. A message queue in a Node.js is a mechanism to handle tasks asynchronous by placing them in a queue and process them later. What would be the example like sending emails, processing payments, generating reports and the image processing because these processes will take time that you don't want to block your main application and you want to process them later. In that case we are using the message queue. Okay, a message queue is like waiting line at the bank. Okay, so whenever you go to the bank and you are on the line at the bank, customers task and the messages arrive and wait in a line. Okay, and the teller, the worker and the consumer, okay, serves one customer at a time. Okay, if many customers arrive, they wait without disturbing the teller, right? If more tellers are added, the line clears faster. In a software term, a message queue holds tasks until they can be processed, preventing your application from being overloaded. Okay. Another example would be the e-commerce order processing problem. When a customer places an order, multiple things must happen. Payment must be processed, inventory must be updated, confirmation email must be sent, invoice must be generated. Without a queue, the user waits until all steps finish. Slow checkout. With a queue, place an order, immediately respond, order place. All other tasks go into the queue and are processed by workers in the background. Result, faster checkout. System can handle spikes during the big sales like Black Friday. Another example, email and notification system problem. A system needs to send thousands of emails, account verification, newsletter, password resets. Without a queue, app tries to send emails immediately, blocking main thread, crashing under a load. With queue, app would send email jobs into the queue. Workers pick up jobs one by one or in batches. Emails are sent reliably. Even if one worker fail, the job stays in a queue until retired. So real world example, Gmail sending confirmation mails or the Amazon sending order shipment updates. Okay, I hope you understand what is message queue. A message queue, in simple, we can say a message queue in the Node.js is like a task pipeline where jobs, emails, payments, order notifications flow in, wait, and are handled by the workers at their own place, making apps faster, more reliable, and scalable. What are the key concepts? One is producer, the part of the app that sends messages to the queue. Another one is queue, stores the messages until they are processed. Consumer slash worker listens to the queue and the process the messages. Broker, middleware like RabbitMQ, Redis, or the Kafka that actually store the messages, which will be learned in the coming series. What are the benefits? Decoupling, producers don't need to know when where consumers run. Scalability, add more workers to handle the high loads. Reliability, if worker crashes, the message stays in the queue. Load leveling, handle spikes in traffic without overwhelming your app. So this is all about the queues. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.